We're at 4205 Paseo de las Tortugas in Torrance. What you just saw was the city sewer connection. We're conducting a sewer inspection of the main line, the main sewer line, and we found roots. We found a lot of tree roots and several cracks also. Especially the cracks we found are in the 4-inch clay pipe. The lateral pipe has roots, and but it doesn't look as bad as a 4-inch pipe. We've also located the pipe a couple feet before the property line, and that's it. We're pulling it out. Our point of entrance is a 4-inch ABS cleanout, or plastic clean, that's located in front of the house. As you're looking at the house from the street, it's on the front side. It's on the front right side. So that's it. We're pulling it out, and that's all we can do. You good, leave it. No. No, it says 360 degrees. No, does this turn? I guess this turns, huh? Yeah, it's got to turn. That's cool. So it's about 50 feet to the property line? 38 feet, so I can see. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're stopping the recording now. There's nothing else we can do here.